How to open PowerShell in Windows. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily open PowerShell in Windows. I'm going to show you guys a few methods so you can use whichever one is more preferable to you. Let's just get right into it. The very first thing you can do is you'll find your Windows icon on your taskbar. You can right click on it on the Start menu, and this pop-up will appear. And from here, you can find Terminal or Terminal Admin, or if you're on Windows 10, it will show you PowerShell or PowerShell Admin. Just choose whichever you want to open, and now your Windows PowerShell is open. So this is the first method. Second method is to actually go to your search bar and then search for PowerShell, and it will show you the Windows PowerShell. Just click on OK, and it will run your Windows PowerShell. And for the final method, it's quite easy. You're going to have to open the Run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R key, and this Run dialog box will pop up on your screen. Simply go ahead and search for PowerShell here, and then hit OK. Once you have done that, your PowerShell will open up. But whatever you do inside PowerShell, you have to make sure that you don't do anything unnecessary, as it will completely change your computer settings. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.